Welcome back to the daily updates of Indian Infantry.
Amid an ongoing conflict with China along the northern borders, India has placed orders for American Joint Direct Attack Munition (JDAM) precision-guided bombing kits to enhance the capabilities of its Tejas fighter jets. The acquisition of JDAM kits under delegated financial powers by the Air Force will enable Tejas jets to take out enemy bunkers and runways at 80 kilometers and distances beyond. It would enable the Tejas to carry out Balakot-like airstrikes with more accuracy and precision, top government sources told India Today. The order for the JDAM from the US for the Light Combat Aircraft (LCA) Tejas was placed to prepare the indigenous aircraft for taking on enemy planes in a much better way. The emergency powers were given to the armed forces because of the ongoing conflict with the People's Liberation Army of China in the eastern Ladakh sector. India has already activated 2 LCA Tejas fighter squadrons and is looking to get 4 more in a couple of years. They will replace the outgoing MiG-21 Infantry. Tejas is a far better aircraft than the Chinese-developed JF-17 and the Hammer would take it ahead of their fleet in strike capabilities, an official said.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for daily updates.